Hi guys, so I get asked about my hair a lot. The past few months I have really been looking after my hair just because we were in lockdown and I couldn't get my hair cut. For as long as I can remember, I get my hair cut every 8 to 10 weeks. And the fact that I couldn't, and I was literally due to have a haircut just before we went into lockdown and then I couldn't. And then obviously we were in lockdown, so it was a long time before I got my hair cut. Just because I know that my hair is coloured. I do have like balayage, so I've got quite a bit of blonde at the ends, even though it's like a no bleach balayage. But my hair does get very dry because I do obviously curl it, straighten it, and I wash it quite often. So my hair does get dry. So I became even more paranoid about the state and health of my hair. I just wanted to really take care of it. So I already used to use regular hair masks anyway, but I kind of took it up a notch and I was making sure that I was doing hair masks like 2 or 3 times a week. So I'm just going to share some of my favourite hair products with you. So I'm not going to talk about shampoo and conditioner because I just think if you use a nice moisturising, colour protecting, if you've got coloured hair, shampoo and conditioner, then you're gonna get what you need from a shampoo and conditioner. Because really, shampoo and conditioner, you put it in and then you wash it out within a couple of minutes. It's the kind of intensive treatments, hair masks, stuff like that, that are in your hair for longer, and then obviously any products as well. I'm going to start off and talk about hair treatments and hair masks. So the first one, I've spoken about this quite a few times and I've mentioned it on my Instagram as well, but it's the Kingsley Elasticizer. This hair mask is really good. I did a whole video on my Kingsley routine a little while ago, so have a look at that. But this mask is great. It is basically, it's elasticizer, so basically what it's doing is strengthening your hair bonds. So basically, or trying to strengthen your hair bonds and making your hair more elastic. So every time you're straightening it, tugging at it, brushing it, putting it back to tie it up, that's when your hair breaks. So if your hair has more elasticity in it, then it's going to have less breakage. So this is what this mask is really good for. Then this is one that I think I discovered in lockdown actually. It's from the Hair Bar. The packaging is really nice, and this is basically supposed to be like a dupe of Olaplex, but I'd never tried Olaplex before. I just went straight in with this, and the price is really good, and it's basically like a 2-in-1. So this is basically step 1, which is your bond restorer, and then step 2 is basically where you get the moisture from, and you literally need to apply step 1 and then straight apply step 2 on top, because step 2 is what was going to hold all that moisture in and going to stop any moisture from your hair coming out as well. And you basically leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes. I always go longer with these things. I would always take it up to like 45 minutes. But my hair, the condition of my hair felt really good, and I have been using this a lot. So this is one of the hair masks I really like using. Then another one is a good little drugstore one. It's the Soap and Glory Wondishner. I basically use this like 2 or 3 times a week instead of conditioner. You just leave it in. I just leave this one in for like 5 minutes. So I'll kind of shampoo my hair, put this in, shave my legs and have the rest of my shower and then wash it out. And honestly, I just love how smooth and silky my hair feels. It just gives your hair like a really nice conditioning treatment, and it's quick to use as well. Very recently, I've only just jumped on the Olaplex bandwagon, so I ordered this from Cult Beauty. So this is another kind of like 2 steps. So you put this into dry hair, put it in all over. Oh my god, did that just drip on me? I didn't. All over, and then you put your number 3. I don't know what number 2 is. I need to find out. You put your number 2 in and leave it. It says leave it for 10 minutes, but I left it in for half an hour yesterday and I haven't washed my hair. So I basically did it yesterday, washed my hair, and then obviously this is my hair on the second day. And as you can see, my curls have held, and I don't know, my hair just felt really nice and smooth again. So I'm going to use this again. I really do like this so far, and I'm actually really tempted to get the Olaplex treatment done next time I'm in salon as well. So yeah. Then I've got some hair oils which I love. So again, from Hair Boss, this is like an overnight repair serum, and this doesn't make your hair greasy at all. It is more like a serum, so you can just put it in your hair every night before you go to sleep, just like mids to ends. You can put it in the roots if you want, but mids to ends, and you just wake up and it kind of, your hair just feels nice and smooth and not like slept on. This Show Beauty Oil, what I like to do is, you know, your second day hair, your curls can go a bit flat, and I just kind of like work it in on the ends, and it just feels like I'm adding that moisture back into my hair, and it just feels really nice without weighing your hair down and without making your hair feel greasy. It's a bit of a pricey luxury product, but honestly it's lasted me such a long time and I really, really like it. And then the other one that does something similar, but this you're supposed to put into kind of like damp hair. This is the Way hair oil, so you can put it into damp hair and then style as normal. So I really, really like this. Or just before you're about to wash your hair, maybe just leave it in your hair as like an overnight treatment and then wash your hair in the morning, and that's a nice one. I've only got a mini one here because I wanted to try it first, but so far I am loving it and it smells really nice. Dry shampoo. In lockdown I actually got into dry shampoo because I was like, you know what, I wash my hair every other day, why, let's try a bit of dry shampoo. So I really like this Bumble and Bumble dry shampoo. It just feels really, really nice. And I did a little video on my IGTV on how to use dry shampoo as well. If you feel like you need an updated one, just comment and let me know and I'll do it. But this is one of my favourites, nearly finished now, but it doesn't, like, your hair doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't leave that like dry shampoo, like talcum-y residue that a lot of dry shampoos leave. It's just a really nice product, and a nice dry shampoo. Then these are basically my everyday like hairstyling products. I use a lot of different hairstyling products. I am literally a product junkie. I'll always use a hair mousse. I'm not fussy about what hair mousse I use. I'll always use a hairspray. Again, not fussy about what hairspray I use as long as it just holds my curls and my style in place. But these products here are like my holy grail. So on wet hair, the Wow Colour Dream Coat, honestly, you've seen the videos on Instagram and YouTube. The shine this gives you is unbelievable. Honestly, this is the one. I love this. Then my new favourite is actually this Super Healthy Hair Volume Booster from Beauty Pie. And so again, I just put this in spray this into my wet hair, and I basically apply this and spray this into my hair, and that's it. Because after a very long time I've realised that the more product I use in my hair, the more my hair is getting weighed down, and that is why I'll spend so long cutting my hair and then I'll literally a couple of hours later come back and my hair's like just being pulled down because my hair's too heavy to hold the curls. So I keep it really, really light. Then once I've like curled my hair, added the waves or whatever, I basically use this from Bedhead, and this is called Joyride. It's like just it's a balm that you basically just twist up. It's nearly finished, so I need to order another one. It's just really smooth, it's not too sticky, and it doesn't make my hair greasy, and I feel like it's quite lightweight, so it doesn't weigh my hair down. But you've seen how I apply it, I kind of just like scrunch it up. But it doesn't make my hair hard, it doesn't make it greasy, nice like balmy texture, so I really, really like this. And the other thing, while I'm styling my hair as I'm going along, I will use this GHD Curl Hold Spray, which is also a heat protector, which is really important because obviously I'm using a lot of heat in my hair, so I like to use the heat protector, and it just again helps the curls stay put. These are some of my favourite hair products, and actually the only one that's been gifted is this Kingsley Elasticizer, which I really, really do love and I would buy anyway, but none of these have actually been gifted to me. I just bought them because I love them, and a lot of them you're seeing like, you know, I've been using them for years, and you're seeing like third and fourth packages of them. I just buy over and over again. So I hope that answers a lot of your questions on my favourite hair products and what I use for what. I feel like I've done so many hair routine videos, but I just wanted to talk you more like through products that I use. So I hope you found this video useful, and I will speak to you soon.